welcome. I'm Sunjo, nurse practitioner at iGrow Clinic. Today we're going to talk about a vital topic for many families, growth hormone. What is it? How does treatment work? And what should you know about its safety and benefits? Let's dive in. Growth hormone is a naturally occurring substance in our bodies. It plays a crucial role in growth and development, especially in children. Typically, our bodies experience a natural surge of growth hormone between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. For children with open growth plates, growth hormone acts like a battery powering the bone cell factory to produce more bone cells, leading to increased height. Growth hormone treatment uses a material identical to our body's own growth hormone, created through DNA technology. This allows us to provide a clone of natural growth hormone. The treatment involves a small subcutaneous injection, meaning it goes just under the skin into the fat layer. This is typically done 6 nights a week with 1 day of rest. Common injection sites include the buttocks, belly, or the back of the arms or thighs as long as there's sufficient fat tissue. The ideal time for treatment is before or during puberty when growth plates are still open. For pre-pubertal children who typically grow about 2 inches per year, studies have shown that treatment can boost their growth to 3 to 4 inches annually, quite significantly improving their height percentile and final adult height. During treatment, we regularly monitor your child's progress, and growth plate exams are done every 6 to 12 months. You'll see their estimated adult height gradually increase over time. While individual responses vary, many children achieve excellent results as long as their growth plates are wide open. We understand that parents have concerns about side effects. Growth hormone treatment is considered quite safe for otherwise healthy children. We want to be very transparent about how it works and what precautions we take. Our natural growth hormone has other important functions beyond growth. It helps regulate thyroid hormone, and it can naturally increase blood sugar. These are crucial for maintaining bodily balance, a process called homeostasis. Growth hormone acts as a safety net, preventing blood sugar from dropping too low during fasting or stress. Because we're enhancing these natural processes, we conduct a thorough screening blood test before starting any treatment to ensure all bodily functions are optimal. If anything isn't just right, we won't proceed with the treatment. We also perform these blood tests every 6 months during treatment to continually monitor your child's health. We always adhere to a safe dosage range based on your child's body weight, never exceeding what their body can handle, to ensure both effective growth and safety. 2 other conditions we carefully monitor are slip capitofemoral epiphysis and scoliosis. For boys especially, rapid growth during a growth spurt combined with factors like obesity, such as BMI over 29, it can put stress on hip joints. If growth plates work too hard, in rare cases, a hip joint could even dislocate, which is why we ensure appropriate BMI levels before treatment. We typically don't start treatment if a child's BMI is over 27. Similarly, with significant scoliosis, we carefully manage the growth rate to prevent the curve from worsening. We want to ensure that any accelerated growth from treatment doesn't negatively impact existing spinal conditions. A common question we receive is about cancer risk. I want to state clearly, growth hormone does not cause cancer. However, if a child has a history of cancer or an active cancer, growth hormone will stimulate the growth of all cells, including cancer cells. It won't create cancer cells that aren't already there, but it can accelerate the growth of existing ones. This is precisely why thorough screening is paramount before initiating growth hormone treatment. Our team allows a very structured plan to monitor both progress and safety every step of the way. You can rest assured that your child's well-being is our top priority. We're here to guide you and answer all your questions. My team and I look forward to meeting you and your child to discuss if growth hormone treatment is the right path for your family. Thank you.